Prior to connecting, thoroughly clean all mating surfaces and threads on both halves. Then pull the coupler sleeve forward. To initiate the connection, align the coupler and the plug, pushing and turning the coupler sleeve towards the plug while engaging the threads. Allow the threads to pull the coupler onto the plug. Do not push the coupler onto the plug. The first phase of the connection should be threaded by hand without the use of tools. Please note the connection sleeve may seize when dirt and debris accumulate in the threads. Wipe away debris with a cloth, compressed air, or a brush. The second phase of the connection may require a wrench if the pressure is higher than the anticipated force. Continue to thread the coupler sleeve onto the plug until the end of the sleeve meets the plug body. To disconnect, unthread the coupler sleeve from the plug. A wrench may be needed to break the coupler sleeve free. Keep the mating halves aligned during the disconnection process.